9 Amazon gear picks that every survivalist should own. When it comes to survival, having the right tools can make all the difference between life and death. Whether you're braving the wilderness, preparing for an emergency, or just seeking the ultimate in tactical readiness, the gear you choose is critical. Today, we're diving into 30 Amazon gear picks that every survivalist should own in 2025. From knives that can handle any challenge to flashlights that shine through the darkest nights, these picks have earned their spot in the Survivalist Hall of Fame. So get ready to equip yourself with the best tools out there and ensure you're ready for whatever nature throws your way. Let's get started. Spyderco Manix 2 Knife. The Spyderco Manix 2 knife is a powerhouse of a tool designed for tough survival situations. Known for its robust build and versatility, this knife features a strong locking mechanism that ensures safety while using it. The blade is crafted from high-quality CPM S30V stainless steel, which offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Whether you're cutting rope, preparing food, or using it in a self-defense scenario, the ergonomic handle provides a secure grip for maximum control. Its full flat ground blade allows for efficient slicing, making it perfect for both utility and combat purposes. The Manix 2 is equipped with a unique ball bearing lock system, which enhances its reliability, allowing it to withstand demanding tasks in the wild. Lightweight yet durable, this knife is a must-have for any survivalist looking for a dependable all-around tool in their gear collection. Streamlight TLR7 Tactical Light. The Streamlight TLR7 Tactical Light is a game-changer for survivalists who need hands-free illumination in critical situations. Designed for mounting on firearms, this compact and powerful weapon light provides 500 lumens of bright, focused light, making it ideal for low-light conditions and nighttime operations. Its small size doesn't sacrifice performance, offering a beam distance of up to 130 meters. It's perfect for clearing rooms or navigating in the dark. With a robust anodized aluminum body, the TLR7 is impact-resistant and water-resistant, able to withstand tough environments. The ambidextrous on/off switch ensures ease of use, whether you're in a survival or self-defense scenario. The light also features a rail clamp system that allows for quick and secure mounting on a wide variety of firearms. It's a top-tier tactical light that enhances your readiness and visibility when every second counts. Cold Steel Recon 1 Tanto Point Knife. The Cold Steel Recon 1 Tanto Point Knife is designed for ultimate strength and durability, making it a top choice for survivalists and tactical enthusiasts. Built with a tough Oz 8A stainless steel blade, this knife holds an edge well even under heavy use, perfect for cutting, prying, and even self-defense. The Tanto Point is especially useful for piercing tasks, as its reinforced tip allows for effective penetration without sacrificing strength. Its G10 handle provides an incredibly strong and ergonomic grip, even in wet or slippery conditions, ensuring full control during any task. The Recon 1 also features Cold Steel's iconic triad locking mechanism, which adds an extra layer of security to prevent accidental closure when in use. Whether you're camping, hunting, or facing emergency situations, the Recon 1 Tanto Point Knife is a trusted and resilient tool for survivalists. Bentcore MH20 Flashlight. The Nightcore MH20 flashlight is a compact, rechargeable flashlight that offers powerful illumination in a small package. With a maximum output of 1,000 lumens, this flashlight is perfect for emergency situations, camping, or tactical operations. It's powered by a single 18,650 battery, which provides long-lasting performance, and it includes a micro USB charging port for easy recharging on the go. The MH20 features multiple brightness levels, from an ultra-low setting for preserving night vision to a blinding 1,000 lumen high setting for maximum visibility in the darkest environments. Its rugged aerospace-grade aluminum body ensures durability, while the IPX8 waterproof rating makes it ideal for use in all weather conditions. Spyderco Native 5 Knife. The Spyderco Native 5 knife is a pocket-sized powerhouse designed for those who need a compact yet highly functional blade in their survival kit. Made with CPM S35VN stainless steel, the blade offers a superior combination of edge retention, strength, and corrosion resistance. Its fully flat ground design ensures smooth cutting through various materials, whether you're slicing through rope or preparing food. The ergonomic FRN fiberglass reinforced nylon handle is textured to provide a secure grip even in wet conditions, which is crucial during intense survival situations. Streamlight TLR4 Tactical Light. The Streamlight TLR4 Tactical Light is a compact, versatile light designed specifically for mounting on handguns, rifles, or shotguns. It combines a powerful white LED light with a 640/660N red laser, providing enhanced accuracy in low-light conditions. With an output of 500 lumens, the TLR4 is bright enough to illuminate your target, clear areas, and perform close-range searches, while the laser adds pinpoint precision. Constructed from durable anodized aluminum, it's built to withstand recoil and rough handling, making it ideal for tactical and survival situations. The ambidextrous switch allows for easy activation, whether you're a right or left-handed shooter. Fenix E35 V3 Flashlight. The Fenix E35 V3 flashlight is a high-performance, compact flashlight designed to meet the demands of survivalists and tactical users. With an impressive 3,000 lumen output, it's perfect for lighting up large areas or providing long-distance illumination up to 260 meters. This rechargeable flashlight is powered by an 18,650 battery, ensuring extended runtime even at its highest brightness level. The E35 V3 offers multiple modes, from ultra-low for conserving battery life to turbo mode for maximum brightness when you need it most. Its tough, aircraft-grade aluminum body makes it highly resistant to impact and weather, with an IP68 waterproof rating, ensuring it performs even in the most extreme condition. Spyderco Stretch 2 Knife. The Spyderco Stretch 2 Knife is a versatile, high-performance folding knife built for durability and ease of use in survival and tactical situations. Its full flat-ground VG10 stainless steel blade offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for heavy-duty cutting tasks. The knife's ergonomic handle is made from fiberglass reinforced nylon, FRN, providing a lightweight yet robust grip that enhances control during use. The Stretch 2's unique design features a thumb hole for easy one-handed opening, ensuring quick deployment in emergency situations. Additionally, the knife's locking mechanism, the back lock, ensures that the blade remains securely in place while in use, adding a layer of safety. Benchmade 941 Osborne Knife. The Benchmade 941 Osborne knife is the epitome of precision engineering and high-quality craftsmanship. Featuring a premium S90V stainless steel blade, this knife is designed for superior edge retention, making it ideal for cutting tasks that demand precision and durability. The blade has a unique reverse tanto shape, offering enhanced strength and versatility for piercing, slicing, and everyday utility tasks. The handle is made from carbon fiber, which provides both lightweight performance and added strength, while the Axis lock mechanism ensures smooth opening and closing with a solid, reliable lockup. Known for its slim profile and ergonomic design, the 941 fits comfortably in your hand, making it a perfect choice for prolonged use. For a survivalist or tactical enthusiast, this knife offers a combination of precision, reliability, and style, making it an excellent addition to any gear collection. And don't forget, survival is about preparation, and with the right gear, you can face any challenge with confidence. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more survival tips and gear guides. Have any favorite survival tools we missed? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear what's in your go bag. Stay safe, stay prepared, and as always, keep thriving out there.